Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a video on how to do this wig. So far what I did was just hold it down with the GOT2B glue spray, and what I want to do is like a swoop kind of style. Welcome if you've been rocking with me for a while. Keep doing what you do. Make sure you click the notification bell so you know every time that I upload. And let's get started with the video. Alright, so what I'm doing here is just making my part. It's gonna be like a straight part, but the bang is gonna curve, so I'm making a deep side part with this wig. It is a frontal wig that I got from AliExpress. I tried looking at my AliExpress account, but like all my previous orders were gone, so I honestly don't remember exactly where I got this unit from. But the hair is pretty good. So I'm just making the part the way I want it and sectioning off the part that's gonna be the swoop bang. Right here, I'm just trying to clean up the part. I didn't really like. I had a part in the wig, but it was like in the middle, and I over plucked it, so I didn't want to pluck it this time around, just because I didn't want to ruin it. So right here, I'm just taking a hot comb and flattening out the part just so it lays flat. You're going to take the back of the hot comb and just like flatten the part where you want it to lay, like just so it looks flat and more natural. Okay, so I'm just about done flattening out the part. So I'm taking the front section that I'm going to use to make the bang and just flattening it out a little bit more. It definitely could have been neater, but the next thing you're going to need is some foam lotion or some mousse, just so it lays flat and it stays the way that you shape it.